Hello, crypto and mining community. Got a little bit different video for you today. Max Voltage here. Normally I'm talking about something crypto or mining related, but today gonna be a little bit different. Basically, I'm looking to upgrade my streaming setup. So in doing so, I'm going to be putting I just upgraded to two 27-inch 1440p monitors, and I'm going to be putting them on a dual arm mount to get them off the desk. So in the process, my wife then said she wanted one, and each one of them that I was looking at had different discounts, but you couldn't take two of the same and get the discount. So these two looked extremely similar, so decided to order both of them, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing today to show you what the similarities, to show you if there are any differences, and we'll go from there. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. All right, hello everybody. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of two dual gas spring monitor mounts. Basically they look very similar, and I'm curious to see if they are in fact the same. Some of us and the people I chat with are thinking that they may be exactly the same. So we're going to do an unboxing today to find out if they are in fact the same or they're just similar. So let's do an initial opening of each box to see if they are even packaged the same. Come on. I will say the Huonuo seems to use pretty darn good tape. Wow. Or maybe I just need a better knife, but that works. Get this side open. There we go. So that's the initial opening of the Huonuo, or however you pronounce that. Huonuo? Was it Hawaiian? Sounds like it. Anyway, so this is the way this one is packaged. So let's open up the next one to see if it is packaged any differently or if it's exactly the same. Now, I did order these both from Amazon. I'll provide links to both of them. You may be asking, well, why didn't I just get the same one? Or why did I even get two? So the reason why I got two was because my wife wanted one as well. So when I went to go order hers, the coupon for both of them would only work once. So in order for me to get a better price, I had to order two. So isn't that interesting? Let's see how closely these manuals look. Look pretty darn similar. Interesting. English is 1 through 13 on both of these models. This one happens to have a website QR code. So there's that. But again, look the same. And in fact, look like they are packaged almost, pretty much exactly the same. Let's try removing exactly the same. Let's leave the manuals next to their respective boxes. So just to double check, this is the ErGear. So we're going to take ErGear out first. Take this top piece out, which is the post. Let's see. Oh, so the two boxes I have just opposite one another. Otherwise, they're packaged exactly the same. So I took out the two posts. Taking out the one arm, taking out the one hardware, which again is packaged in the same exact spot in both of these. Take out the one arm. Actually, yeah, they're facing each other. That one goes over there. this one goes over there. Again, those two are facing each other. In fact, I'm going to get this box out of the way. Here's all the hardware that was directly in the center. And then you had a couple of extra hardware pieces. Oh, these are the cable, things that hold the cables onto the monitor arms. Were just tucked in right there. Let me get this one out of the way. Wait a minute. It feels like there's still something in here. Oh yeah. Underneath the box is where the mount is. So, you get this out of the way. And that way we have a little bit more room to work. This one, again, they're facing each other. These things are exactly the same. That there. Take this arm out. Put that there. The hardware is in the middle. The two cable thingies that go on the monitor arms was again in that tucked in that same spot, and lo and behold, there's your clamp right underneath. So far they look exactly the same. So let's take each piece and take a look to see if we can tell if there is any difference. That goes right on that. When you are clamping it into place. This one was coming off just like the other one. Just push it back into place. Again, I defy you to tell the difference between those. They look exactly the same. All right, move those to the side. I'm just gonna move those up there. Let's look at the posts. See if there's any difference in the post itself. So this is this post. And I have stuff on top of this other one, so get that out of the way. Yeah, these posts are the same all the way down to the cap. Exactly the same. I defy you to tell me how they are different. This one slides as well. Just didn't slide automatically. So let me get those out of the way. Let's get into things that might be slightly different. Let's open up one of the arms. So that is one of the arms. Let's open up one of these. My gosh, they are, again, identical. Absolutely identical. Defy you to see the difference between those two. So bottom line is, buy whichever one is cheapest, because they are made of the exact same hardware. There's plastic here, metal here, same cable thingies go underneath the arms in order to keep the cables in place. So I guess I really don't need to go any further on this. I mean, even the hardware is exactly the same, down to the supplied Allen wrench. You know, including the super long screw for mounting it to a hole in the desk. You know, pre-mount, if you had one of those type of like Herman Miller type desks, you know, that's what that would be used for. I will not be using that, but I'm sure I'll be probably using some of the other supplied hardware. So let's just check one more thing out. Just out of curiosity, let's see how loaded this is. pretty loaded actually. I think this actually has to slide off because that holds it in place a little bit tighter than, but there's not a way to actually get it off. So you have to actually slide it off the end, which isn't a big deal. That one is definitely loaded, and you can, this one doesn't seem to be loaded quite as much. Yeah, but they are adjustable. You can adjust for how much tension depending on the weight of the arm. So, as I said, they literally are exactly the same. One is Huonuo and one is ErGear, I believe. Isn't that what it's called? Yes, ErGear. Thanks for Big Wooly for helping me out finding these. I will be testing them out probably tomorrow or Friday. One of the two, probably Friday. I have a day off on Friday, so I think probably that will be the best test and will give me plenty of time. Anyway, well, thank you everybody for tuning in. Hopefully that was helpful. Like I said, I will be putting up a review of this, of one of the arms, since both of them are identical. We don't need to put up two side-by-side reviews of the same exact thing. So again, thanks for tuning in and have a good one.